Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series generation 2005-2013, and we're talking about the BMW 3 Series that comes with the headlight washers. Okay, the one that pop out and wash your headlights when you have your headlights on. So, we'll explain where to find the fuse for the headlamp washer. The fuse, okay, could blow sometimes, especially if the pump is getting old or it froze or something like that. So, we'll show you where to find that fuse and how to replace it. Now, let me tell you that BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes for that generation BMW, so yours might be different, so always double check everything before you replace fuses. Now, we'll show you where ours is located. We'll have more than 200 videos on that car guys, so please hit that subscribe button for more videos and hopefully we can help you save some money. So let's go ahead. Okay, we need to go to the inside now, to the passenger side here, because we need to work behind the glove box to get to the fuse, okay, to the fuse panel quick here. And it's located, okay, this one is located right behind the glove box. So open your glove box, okay, and that cover we'll need to remove it. So those round things, both of them, you need to turn them 90 degrees up. Okay, like that, and pull it out. Now the fuse for that thing is fuse number, okay, number 43. So 43 is, if you come, okay, check those middle fuses, okay, not the small ones, not the big ones, those middle fuses. Fuse number 43 is the one on the very right side, okay, this is the right side, and it's the one on the very bottom, okay, this fuse right here, this for the headlight lamps. So I'll go ahead and grab the puller, okay, and we'll go ahead and pull the fuse out. Okay, and that's one very limited room, so let me see how I can get in there. Okay, I pulled it out. Okay, and you can see now it's a hole. That's where the fuse is guys, located for the headlamp washers. Replacement is in the same way, just make sure that everything aligns and just push it in. Don't forget to install your, put back your fuse puller in the fuse box because you will need it next time, and put that cover on. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.